Feel the dead of the night under your skin. Don't let go of the light, you'll find it within. 'Cause I can't save you. No, I can't save you. When the weight of the world keeps on pulling you down, don't give up on the fight, you'll find a way out. 'Cause I can't save you. No, I can't save you.
Good morning people, welcome you all back to my channel. This is Djmahaneet and we are on an exciting summer ride today. This is Tumkur Road. We are heading towards Kemmanagundi in Chikmagalur district today. The time right now it's 5:45 AM. Beautiful summer morning, very cool. It's been raining from past couple of days, so the weather has really dropped down and it's a beautiful morning. The sun is yet to be up. It's very cloudy and we are heading to the mountains once again this weekend. It's a Saturday morning here in Bangalore and I'm super excited to head back to the mountains after some scorching heat in Bangalore from the past 10-15 days. So stay tuned people as we head to the mountains, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos. So we are taking a left towards Hassan. We're not doing the Tiptur road. Not continuing on Tumkur Road, the more scenic Hassan Road. It's been a long time since I came on Hassan Road. This is Nellamangala. Time is around 6 AM. We should be reaching Kemmangundi around 9. Probably we can do breakfast in Kemmangundi itself. Not sure where we plan to do breakfast. It's just 2 bikes today, Vinay and me. So this is the Mangaluru Hassan highway, BM road it's called, Bangalore highway. Since it's a long weekend, lot of bikers and traffic today on this road, on all roads across Karnataka. I'm sure everybody heading to the mountains. So the time right now it's 7:15 and we are closer to Sira. There was a right deviation towards Sira, but again we took a left, so I'm not sure what road this is. Somewhere closer to Chikmagalur district only, I think. Beautiful weather today, very cool. At this pace we should reach there by around 10 AM. Stop here for a quick juice break. Huh? Novina Kere. Beautiful lake here before Tiptur. One massive lake this is, Novina Kere. feels like an ocean. Hope you did like the drone shots. Follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Stay tuned as we ride to the mountains today. So we are near Shivamogga right now, Shivamogga. Heading towards Kemmangundi. Going to Bhadra Tiger Reserve first, and from there to our resort where we're staying for the night. Another 30 odd kilometers to go. Beautiful Western Ghats. Well, nature is so amazing. It draws you towards it. Whatever seasons, summer, winter, it's always nature. They're all part of nature and cannot stay away from it. Namma Chikkamangaluru. You can already see homestays. Every corner is just a homestay here in Chikmagalur. I think one of the highest homestays in Karnataka is in Coorg. Second should be Chikmagalur. Now Sakleshpur is catching up. So this is Malandur, part of Chikmagalur district. About 10 kilometers more for the Bhadra Tiger Reserve. Through the coffee lands of Chikmagalur. Beautiful country. So much to travel within India itself. Travel and make experiences rather than collect items. Collect your experiences. Life will feel so much more beautiful. That's the only thing we can take back when you're leaving this world. All your experiences and memories. Nothing else you can take back. This is the Bhadra Tiger Reserve Forest. We had to collect the pass ahead, and that was some creepy crawly creature crossing the road. Just missed it. beautiful, very cool in the middle of the afternoon itself. Bhadra Tiger, Chikmagalur.
Adi Shakti, Adi Shakti, Serab Shakti, Namo Namo, Adi Shakti, Adi Shakti, Serab Shakti, Namo Namo, Adi Shakti. Adi Shakti, Adi Shakti, Serab Shakti, Namo Namo.
So we reached a property here at Kemmangundi. This is the Wilderness Homestay. It's located in the jungle, middle of the jungle, and here's the room. Green tile. That's our room. So I'll leave a link to the property on my description box below if you want to visit this very nice property here at Kemmangundi. It's not all the way up on the top, but in the middle. And it feels like it's raining here, standing around the waterfall. Beautiful place.
Well, after we left from our room, we headed straight to Bhadra Tiger Reserve. After waiting for a bit, we managed to get permission to enter the reserve forest. Bhadra Tiger Reserve is similar to Kudremukha and has a lot of grasslands all across. Over 120 species of flora and fauna spread across this huge forest area. It was limited time. They gave us 1 hour time to exit from the other side, which is the Chikmagalur side of the forest. In case you are late, they do fine you for the same. Also have jeep safaris organized by the government, the forest department. We drove across Bhadra and then headed to Baba Budangiri, and from there to Chikmagalur and headed to back home to Bengaluru. So that's about it for this entire log of Kemmangundi and Bhadra Tiger Reserve. Hope you like this vlog of mine. If you do like the same, give me a thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed to my channel. Hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos. Do leave any comments if you have regarding my videos. And follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet. My Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Hope to see you around on the next one. Continue watching this journey back home. See you around very soon on my next video. Sayonara, adios, and it's goodbye from me, Djmahaneet.